guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max and the silicone case for the iPhone XS Max. So again, if you have watched my Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing video, then you might know I don't have a stand to keep my camera, so I'm kind of unboxing in one hand, so please do bear in mind. I'm really sorry for if the video is shaking and the quality is not good. So from the next video, I'll try to get a stand for my camera. So without further ado, let's get started up right away. Here we go. Let's unbox the iPhone first and then the case the next. So see, I just cut down the tape, so it should be easy to unbox. So let's go. Let's unbox this. So whoa. Oh, it's like this. And wow, it's again taped in so good. The packaging is great. So here you go. The iPhone XS Max. So before we go and unbox this, let's see how is the packaging. You have the beautiful new wallpaper on the front. Towards the bottom you have the Apple logo, and then you have the pull tab here. And then on the top you have another Apple logo. And then on the side you have the iPhone and then the iPhone. So there is no plus or max branding on the box. It just says iPhone like it's a regular one. There is not even an S branding. So here we go. The iPhone XS Max with 64 gigabyte of storage, earpods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and again you have all the regular things. So let's open up by pulling the pull tab. It goes like this, I guess. Wow, it feels so satisfying. And then from here it should come off. Here we go, the first look of the box without the wrap. So let's slowly get it up. And okay, designed by Apple in California. And then you guys might have already seen the unboxing, all the regular things, Apple stickers and things. So here we go. Wow, a giant 6.5-inch display, and this is like the largest iPhone screen ever made by Apple, and it's really huge. Here we go, the glass back, the 6.5-inch display. It has a notch. Yeah, guys still hate it, but I don't mind having a notch. No headphone jack, but I still don't mind it because I do have the AirPods. In the box you get a regular charging brick, yeah, not the fast charger, and then the lightning to earphones. You don't get the headphone jack one, and then you get the cable. So let's take this aside and let's pull this up from the back, I guess. Wow, that's so awesome. You might not be hearing the sound of it come off, but this is big. I mean, wow. Yeah, I can reach to its top. It's like I have big hands, so I don't have problem with reaching to the top. So let's power it on. And yeah, the Apple logo is here. So let it boot in. By the meanwhile, let's open up the case. Here we go. I already, opened it up because it's difficult to open up with one hand. Whoa. The silicone case for the iPhone XS Max. Let's get that out. Well, hello. And then, let's see, it's searching for signal, but it shouldn't because there's no SIM card. Wow. So, this is out here. The case, finally. So here we go. That's it for the unboxing, guys. I need to set this up, and then I need to set my Apple Watch up. And then once this is done, my full review about the iPhone XS Max and the Apple Watch Series 4 is coming really soon. If you haven't seen my Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing, please do go and check that out. The links are in the description below. So that's it, guys, for today. I'll see you up in the next video. Peace.